The Bugatti Chiron Technic Lego kit is an elegant recreation of the automobile-scale sports car. But how about doing a 1:1 scale? The healthy toy company partnered with the automaker to create a life-size model of the performance vehicle of the Technic blocks. And works. The recreation manages itself, although its engine, composed of more than 2,300 Lego game engines, has an estimated power of 5.3 horsepower. That does not quite reach the scorching speeds of its real-life version, but the Lego Bugatti Chiron is a pretty neat execution of a dream to build a completely brickless car. According to the numbers, the model is an achievement. It took more than 13,000 hours of work to develop and build it, using more than 1 million bricks, including more than 4,000 Technic wheels to assemble the vehicle, which weighs 1,500 kilograms. The builders even took it to the same track where the original Chiron took its first steps, the Ehra Lessien test field in Germany, to test the Lego version. Not only did it move, but the car built in block reached a speed of more than 20 kilometers per hour, all without external reinforcement materials such as glue or metal infrastructure. When I first saw the Lego Chiron, I was immediately impressed by the precision of the model and the meticulous attention to detail, said test driver Andy Wallace, a former runner with multiple victories at the 24 Hours of Le Mans in Daytona, according to a press release. Driving the Lego Chiron was a great experience, which I enjoyed so much. So many years ago I could never have imagined that I could ever drive a Lego car.